All right, hello everyone and welcome. Today is a short video. We're going to look at evaluating functions. Again, our objective to evaluate functions, we're going to use equations, tables, and graphs. All right? It's just plugging in x and finding out what y is. And our essential question, you'll need this for the warm-up today. What does it mean to evaluate a function? What does that mean? Well, guys, evaluating a function means to find the value of f of x that corresponds to some given value of x. All right, in this instance right here, it's f of -1. So find where x is -1. Come down to where the curve is and find what the y value is there. That's the value of the function. The value of the function is the y value at some given value of x. And evaluating a function, you can substitute, all right, the given number. Just substitute it in for x, all right, and then perform the equation. All right. As an example, guys, f of x here, if it equals 3x minus 5, they're saying find f of 4. F of x, put 4 where x is. So this becomes, instead of 3x, it's 3 times 4, right? Minus 5, it's 7. All right, I'm sure you all have done this before. Guys, these are quadratics. We're going to use some quadratics here today because we're going to be getting into quadratics quite a bit this trimester. Guys, the value of h of b here, it doesn't have to be f of x. This is saying a function called h, and b is the variable. Again, 3b squared minus 2b plus 1. They're saying when b is -3, so plug in -3 wherever b is. So here it is -3 squared minus 2 times -b plus 1, okay? As it does, they're saying here it helps to use parentheses. It does. It helps to use parentheses to avoid some errors. But in this case, we're substituting a variable in here, 2w, plugging that in. We're not going to do too much of that, but you can do that too. Okay? Guys, you can also use a graph. Evaluate a function from a graph. In other words, here's a graph of a line. We're saying find f of 4. All right? So look where x is 4 is right here. And then go up to the line and see what is the y value right there. Well, the y value is 1. All right? That point is 4, 1. So f of 4 equals 1. That's also true for evaluating a function in a table. All right, if f of x equals y here, as an example, f of 0. So just look down that table wherever x is 0 and find the y value where x is 0. All right, so f of 0 is 2. The same with this one. F of 2 is 8. And we just find where x is 2. It's right there. What's the y value? 8. All right, that's all you need to do. This one is -1 and -1. All right, go ahead and complete the homework check, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks.